What's up all? It's Eva. This Friday afternoon I'm back in matchbook costume, working again on Arnold, so I hope you enjoyed this short video. So Arnold's back on the stand. This time we're changing front tire because it really needs that. This side is flat. Halfway through. See, I got my hands dirty, so that means I work. And I'm just waiting for Matt to come back and help me to fit it back. And we go from there.
We might as well rock and roll.
And that's it for today, so I hope you enjoyed that and I'll see you on next one. Bye!